We've already seen the design library is a great place to find pre-made cuts, but it's also a great place to find forming tools. A forming tool is used to bend, stretch, or otherwise deform a sheet metal part. You can find a collection of forming tools in the Forming Tools folder of the design library. Let's take a look at how to add one of these features to a sheet metal part. From the Embosses folder, I'll drag the dimple feature onto a face of my part. Now watch as I drag the dimple. I can see a preview as I drag across the faces of my part. The default direction is to go into the face I drag it onto. To change the direction of the feature, I can hit the Tab key on the keyboard before I let go of my mouse button. Once I let go of the button, I cannot switch the direction. I would have to delete the feature and insert it again. As soon as I let go of the mouse button, I get a dialog that prompts me to locate the feature using sketch tools like dimensions and geometric relations. Once you've made your changes, click the Finish button. Now you can see I've added a dimple to the part, and the Feature Manager now shows the dimple feature. If I later need to move the dimple, I can edit the placement sketch that's underneath the dimple feature in the feature tree. If I want to edit the actual dimensions that make up the library feature, such as making the diameter of the dimple larger, I can double-click the dimple feature from the tree, and then double-click on the diameter dimension to change it. The feature will update when the model is rebuilt. Forming tools permanently deform the part. Watch as I click the Flatten button. The dimple still exists in the flat pattern.